We have some virgin cocktails that we want to start out with so we can understand how drinks come together. So virgin drinks, no alcohol in them, yet you still got to make them. A bartender needs to know how to make a Shirley Temple. Shirley Temple, we're going with a tall glass. We want to fill it to the top with ice. Our Shirley Temple really only has 3 things going in there. We're going with a juice, we're going with a sweet clear pop off of our gun, sweet clear soda. So if we're thinking juice, it could be orange juice, it could be pineapple, because pineapple juice is fairly sweet too. As far as that sweet clear pop, it could be 7-Up, Sprite, maybe even ginger ale. That's going to work too. The third thing that we need in that drink is going to be grenadine. So grenadine, we always need the grenadine in our Shirley Temple. So let's bring this together. We're going to put in orange juice halfway. We're going to do 7-Up in order to finish that off. And our grenadine. So grenadine, we're going to put in probably about ½ an ounce. We want to really sweeten that up and make it look pretty. So you can see our grenadine goes in, sinks down to the bottom. It's going to be very sweet. Because we put grenadine in there, we're going to put a cherry on there. We put orange juice in here, so maybe we can go and throw an orange wheel on there. Something nice, big and pretty. A Shirley Temple.
Start Bartending is an online course covering everything you need to know to confidently begin as a bartender. We will teach you how to make more money by making your customers happy with premium cocktails, efficient drink building techniques, and product knowledge. Go to startbartending.com to sign up for the course that can change your career and create new opportunities for you.